first met Mel and Claire outside a local shop. I was doing a sort of advertise, come on my course. And I met them and Mel said, yeah, we'll be there. Generally when people say, yeah, we'll be there, that means they're not going to come. Not only did she come, but she brought a mum with her, she brought a daughter with her, she brought a sister with her. And then by the second week, they brought some cousins, and then they brought some nieces, and then they brought some friends. And as a family, they've always brought people with them.
It's well worth the effort, because not only do you learn, your children learn, your grandchildren can learn from it, and so on down the line. It's something you can pass on, and in the long run, everything in life is a learning process.
They look after each other, they care for each other, but they're not inward looking. They also care for their neighbours, they care for their friends, anyone that needs help they care for.
When you leave school, you do lose a lot of stuff you learned in school. It's just getting back to confidence to put dramas and dots and full stops and all in. It's quite good it is.
It's nice studying with them, because it's like you get to learn so like at the same space, and you know then if you go home and you go to the homework or you have a conversation about it, you both know what you're on about.
Congratulations to all. You absolutely deserve to win this. Carry on doing what you're doing. Carry on bringing in people to your community, into the learning place. You've got so much out of this. I've got so much out of being with you. Carry on bringing the learners through, and your community will continue to change. Fantastic. Well done to you all.
This world is a big place. You can get fantastic results if you all join together as a big family and pull together and really push each other to achieve the best that you can in this world, because nobody else is going to do it for you. Right?